Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Now, as you saw by our title, our video on today, we are unboxing my favorite box, and that is the CURLBOX, okay? And this is for the month of July. How about that? All right, and for those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, I will leave all the information down below. So if you would like to try it out for yourself, even if it is an a la carte box, there is a discount code down below, okay? So let's just jump in and see what's inside. Whatever it is that's in this box is very medicinal smelling because I can smell it through the box, okay? So when we open it up, of course, the first thing we have is our description card, which says CURLBOX, and it has the theme for the month, which is Hello Summer. All right, and it also has, oh, can't tell you yet because then you'll know exactly what's inside. But I guess it's just never too early or too late. So in addition to that, it says, a letter from the editor. Get your summer hair flow together this month with BODYWORKS. It's a great time of year for you to be more versatile with your tresses. You're not wearing hats, scarves, and wraps because it's hot. But at the same time, summer also brings out humidity. So perhaps your hair is shrinking up when all you want to do is show off your hang time. Or maybe you just need a break from styling, period. So you look toward protective styles for comfort. We see you, whether you rock it natural, straight, with weave, Marley twist box braids, or extensions. That's why we secured a well-curated selection of products by BODYWORKS. Okay, so in addition to that, we have a information card about BODYWORKS. As so, let's just check out these products. How about that? So when we open the box, okay, the products really aren't that strong of a smell to them, but one of my products is leaked out, spilled out all over. Yes, it was, the bottles are cracked. So look at this. Yeah, so it's kind of like all over everything, all in the bottom of the box, all over the top of the plastic. So we're gonna work it out though, so we can show you what these products are, and then I will notify CURLBOX. How about that? So give me just a second and we will get started. Okay, well, I cleaned it off as best as I could and it's still coming out. So nonetheless, we do what we do. Okay, so as I said, this line that we have is from BODYWORKS. But what are the products that are in this line? Well, they are the Peppermint Tea Tree products, okay? And I'm just excited. All right, so let's see. It says, why peppermint plus tea tree oil? Peppermint oil is a powerful essential oil that has natural antiseptic properties that provide healing to stressed or inflamed skin. Peppermint oil also contains menthol, which provides a stimulating and therapeutic cooling sensation meant to soothe dry, itchy scalp. Tea tree oil is an antioxidant that's both antifungal and antibacterial. So it effectively fights off bacterial and fungi. It acts as a solvent with the ability to break down layers of dead skin and product. that means that buildup is going away. So the first item that we have, y'all know one of the reasons I love CURLBOX so much is everything we get is full size. And so the first full size product we have is the Peppermint Tea Tree Clarifying Shampoo. And it says this is a therapeutic clarifying cleanser that tingles and washes away all traces of buildup and dandruff. This is a 8 fluid ounce size, and we already know what it smells like because it's all through here. And it says that these products have a 12-month shelf life. Okay, it says, now this clarifying shampoo, it also says, awaken your senses with this minty formula created to remove buildup, increase scalp circulation, and promote an environment ideal for growth. Peppermint oil and tea tree oil give this shampoo the power to keep dandruff and itchiness at bay while leaving your scalp invigorating and your tresses squeaky clean. Now this is an 8 fluid ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life, and they are cruelty free. And it is made without harsh sulfates, parabens, silicone, mineral oils, or petroleum, or dyes. And of course, as they said, cruelty free. Okay, so yes, it does have that medicinal smell to it because it is peppermint oil. So maybe not necessarily medicinal, but it does have that minty smell. Okay, now unfortunately, the next product that I have is the one that broke. Okay, the top just broke right in half here. Well, a part of the top broke off. Okay, that's it right there. Okay, so the product just poured out the side. But nonetheless, there's still enough product in here for me to check it out and let you know. All right, and this one is the, let's see if we can get it to the front. This product is the Detangling Conditioner, and it says get into the moisturizer conditioner that provides enough slip for stress-free detangling, which means less breakage and more length to show for all your hard work. Plus, added proteins lead to soft, hydrated hair full of body. How about that? Okay. All right. And this too is an 8 fluid ounce size. Same thing. There are no parabens or sulfates, none of the bad things in here. And once again, it is cruelty free with a 12-month shelf life as well. Boy, this stuff right here, it almost smells kind of like eucalyptus, but eucalyptus smells like peppermint. Okay, and it says, oh, it also helps to decrease split ends. I like that right there. It reduces frizz, smooths and strengthens strands, all textures, curly or straight. Okay. That is item number 2. Then item number 3 is the Moisturizing Hair Milk. And that's this one right here. And our description card says, this creamy leave-in moisturizer contains a blend of peppermint, tea tree, jojoba, coconut, and avocado oils. Deliver a powerful antioxidant-packed punch to parched hair for a soft, manageable mane. Use daily or as needed for added moisture. I like. This one is 8 fluid ounces as well. And it says it's lightweight moisturizing lotion to soften dry hair and add shine. It says it works great as a daily leave-in for all hair types, replenish and rejuvenate dry, brittle hair. I'm here for it. Definitely here for it. Okay, so that is item number 3. We are not finished. Then the next item that we have is the tea tree oil. I love that they always package their oils in a bag, in a plastic bag, to keep just in case it begins to drip out. Okay, so this one, as I stated, is the hair oil, and it says strengthen your hair and scalp with this rejuvenating oil treatment. Antifungal and antibacterial properties help prevent buildup on the scalp and keep dandruff and itchiness in check. This is perfect as a pre-poo, hot oil treatment, or for daily use for a variety of styles. Used as a styling aid for locks and protective styles when your scalp needs extra TLC. Okay, I like it. This one is a 4 fluid ounce size. None of the bad stuff. It says it penetrates and stimulates the hair root without oily buildup. Even though it is an oil, there is no oily buildup. Okay, it strengthens hair, reduces breakage, leaves hair silky and shiny. All right, and it says perfect choice for a hot oil treatment. Okay. It says to spray lightly, holding about 6 to 12 inches away from the scalp. All right. So here for this one too. All right, and there is one more product, and this one is the Curl Defining Cream. And it's this one right here, and it says Coconut Shea Curl Defining Cream. This styling cream provides medium hold, but with mighty benefits. Control frizz with this humidity-resistant formula, while maintaining definition with a boost of protection via vitamin E. Style without fear of flakiness, greasiness, or crunch being left behind. Okay, it says you can incorporate this one with a lock regimen or an LCO regimen. Okay, and this one is a 2.8. Nope. And this one is a 2 fluid ounce size. This too has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, I love the fact that this is here to help add some definition and some hold along with our tea tree that's taking care of our scalp. Okay, so what are your thoughts? Okay, so I happen to like this very much. I'm here for the items that's going to help me to keep my braids and my twists in. It's time for me to go back to them, y'all. I try to make sure that it's there for the summer so I don't have to do so much, okay, when it's super hot. And it really has been lately here. Now, in addition to it being super hot, let me tell you something. We had a micro burst like crazy here, and it really did some damage. Keep on the lookout. I'll send you, I'll post a video of what that looks like, okay? But nonetheless, I'm loving this CURLBOX. Tell me your thoughts down below. I mean, this is a fantastic deal. It's a fantastic deal. So if you have never tried CURLBOX, you really should look into it. So I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed my very favorite box. What is that? The Curl Box. And these are the items that came in our July Curl Box. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included in this box. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.